Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this video tutorial how to set up artificial ringtone guys. Just like see guys here we have a limited as we know that ringtones on any iPhone device, but if you would like to go for custom ringtone on your iPhone device, how do you do that? With effective quality, with high quality of audio. Either it's from audio, MP3 format or video format, from any content, of course you can generate effective quality of ringtones and directly you can have or import here directly on custom ringtone options or on a ringtone option. See here, I would like to show you. In a setting 2, of course we will come in a sound and haptics, and here we need to come on a ringtone options. Now on ringtone option, see here we have a custom opportunity also to set. Now see guys here, how do you import it and how do you generate? Let's learn with practical now. Firstly, you need a VirtualDJ. So on a VirtualDJ, just import any songs, download link of this device, or sorry, of this software. I will give you below the description box. It's a free of course, so you can download from description box. Then you have to see guys here, import any drag songs after setup, and then you have to come on a setting options. In setting you have to click on a record options and you have to select a format, audio format, and save file on your desktop. So here I have already saved on my desktop. So now if I would like to have any ringtones quickly, how would I do that? Suppose from here to here, so I will click on a master options and so see guys, for 14 seconds actually I have recorded here this ones. How do you have a effective quality show? A little bit you have to get a delay, then reverb, and of course effects mode you have to select in a stem, and a little bit actually hi-hat you have to accelerate, and mailbox this one also, and again and this one on a 50% it should be fixed. Otherwise if you accelerate on a high volume, then of course it will give you very fat color, very fat effective sound. So you won't be able to get a good or with clear vocal ringtone. So this one you have to keep it on a 50%. So now I have generated and it's my own desktop, so I will I would like to import this one quickly on my iPhone device. So we will connect a data cable guys, and from iPhone device to a PC, just simply you have to connect your data cable. So and after connections, see I would like to have these ringtones on my ringtone customs. So for it you will have to firstly open a 3U tool. So 3U tool of course you will have to download this one tool also. I will give you download links there. Simply you have to click on a, see this device has been connected, so you have to click on a ringtone options, go for an import options, click on a select file, select on your desktop so this file and open it. So it will start to convert. So as we see guys here now, let me this one. See here now where it is. This one. Turtle. Now see. So if I would like to show you how's the quality of this ones, see guys, very effective way. Once again I would like to show you, but keep it this one on a 50%, otherwise of course you won't be able to get a good quality audio. Now see. So very nice quality with high audio vocals, ringtones. You will create or generate by yourself, especially by using two tools, and of course you will have on your iPhone device as a custom ringtone. This is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry, blindly have the query below the comment box, guys. In course of time, I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.